Well, I've always been somebody who cared a lot about justice. I mean, from the time I was a little kid, I was about protecting people from the bully. I grew up, I became a police officer, spent some time in that, and what I do now, I kind of view as a continuation of that, just with a lot better resources and a better education. It's still about, for me, it's still about holding those people accountable for the tragedy. And oftentimes, if it weren't for people who are in our field stepping in and being a voice for those people, they really would get run over again. There's nothing more important here at our firm than our relationships with our clients. Typically, the relationship of lawyer-client might end, but the relationship we've been through with them, the time we've been through with them, oftentimes years and years and years down the road, we're still communicating with people who once upon a time were clients. Now they're friends. And so that doesn't just happen. There has to be a time when trust is allowed to develop between a client and an attorney. We're also very interested in the safety side, so we spend time litigating cases, but we also spend time working as good citizens who happen to know a lot about this industry to try to help change things from a safety perspective. I mean, a giant success for me would be to get us to have our work on the safety side put our litigation practice out of business. That would be the biggest win in the world. As an attorney, what my feeling is that we've created a win-win situation. Somebody's had to pay for something that they're responsible for, but in the end, hopefully that's even therapeutic on their end, and we're able to affect something positive so that we can avoid bad things happening in the future.